The Bergische Land, the cradle of traditional German cutlery. Here, in the heart of Germany, lies ZWILLING, known for centuries as the City of Blades. This is where our story begins. In 1731, Peter Henkels founded ZWILLING, making it one of the oldest companies in the world today. A globally renowned benchmark for passion and quality. The finest example of German cutlery. ZWILLING is one of the few places where traditional knife-making techniques are still honored. Today, we merge the valuable know-how of our craftsmen with innovative production technologies, always keeping our traditional origins in mind. The unique ZWILLING ice hardening process, which revolutionized steel hardening and led to the invention of Friedor knives, making them more durable and at the same time more flexible than ever before. Despite the groundbreaking technology, we know, for perfect balance and precision, the best knives still need a human touch, firm but gentle. The difference between a knife and a ZWILLING knife lies in the details. That's why all new innovation must still conform to our exemplary standards. And with the experience of almost 300 years, our craftsmen continue to create unique knives with unparalleled mastery and passion. Only in this way can knives pass our meticulous quality controls. We believe that the world's best knives should be made with eye, heart, and hand, and that true progress is born of tradition. ZWILLING, since 1731.